Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can find your order number or track basically your order number simply in Amazon shopping page. So the first thing that you need to have is actual orders that are in this page. Then you can go here to, for example, the help and contact page and write down order number. And basically once you have this written, you will have all these articles that you can check for, but I've got a better article that explains exactly how you can do it. So how do I look at my order number in Amazon account? You should go to your orders both in desktop and mobile and find the number beside each purchase. It's very simple and easy. You simply have to get your account, go to orders, and beside each purchase and each order that you have made, you will find basically a number next to it. For desktop users, click on accounts and lists your orders, then app users, tap the profile icon, then your orders. Then the 17-character code combines letters and numbers. For example, something similar to this. This is basically where is your code. Pro tip, use the search bar in your orders to filter the product by name or date. Now to look at your order number, start by signing into your Amazon account, the desktop, and basically going to the same page. And simply just go ahead and find and locate basically your order. And you should find that there is a code similar to this next to each order that you have placed. So this is your order number. And now you can start talking with the support team and send them this code. Basically, you can use it as a referral number to your order, so you can both be on the same vision, on the same base, and you both know what you are talking about. And yeah, that was completely it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop us a like, leave us a subscribe, and thank you guys a lot for watching.